Students, a quick tip on this assignment. What you're going to have to do is start this drawing. Probably want to start by drawing the front view here. Like you can see that you've got a horizontal line here that's 5. You could draw that. You could offset that line 0.90. You're probably going to have to draw a few views at the same time in order to create the whole thing. So for instance, here on the right side part, I've got the line that's 3.5. And then I drew a line right up from the middle because as we can see, those two circles up above there are coming directly from the middle of this line. So I drew this line up here. This should be at 3. Okay, and then you have a circle here that is the diameter of 1.5. And if you look over on the other view here, you've got a diameter there that says it's 0.80. That's the size of this circle here. Okay, you can offset the bottom line up here for 0.40, and then attach yourself. If you notice that opening there is 1.3. Off this center line here, I just took 1.30 divided by 2, right, 0.65, and I offset on either side to know the start point for that angled line there, which is at 60 degrees. Just use your polar coordinates. You could start it there at sine 1. Angle sine 60, you could just trim it and you could mirror it to get the other side. Okay, this 0.4 line, actually you could extend it all the way across because it's shown in the other view. So if I extend across like that, okay, and then the top of this at the 0.90 is actually the top of where this other edge is on this side. So I could bring this line over. Oops, wrong layer. Let's undo that. Okay, and kind of between the two views is where you're going to get your information. So if I bring that up, okay, and then I could trim this off, you really just got a line here that's starting at that end point, and use your tangent, because you notice if I do quadrant, it's really past the quadrant. So go to your object snaps and turn tangent on, and you might want to turn quadrant off because they'll kind of compete. Alright, and then go back in and draw the line. So end point, and turn your ortho off to here like that. You could do the same thing on the other side. You're going to kind of have to build this thing up.